Hello. So for this verbal study synopsis, we'll be reviewing a study titled Risk of Rhabdomyolysis with donepezil compared with rivastigmine or galantamine, a population-based cohort study. As we can tell from the title, the research design is a cohort study and it's retrospective in nature. This investigation was essentially prompted following Health Canada's warnings for potential donepezil-induced rhabdomyolysis. So the researchers obtained their data from various healthcare databases in Ontario, Canada, and over 250,000 patients were reviewed. Their mean age was about 81 years old, about 61% were female, and they had to have been over the age of 65 years old with either a newly dispensed prescription for donepezil, rivastigmine, or galantamine between the years of 2002 and 2017. The results looked at the primary outcome of whether or not patients were admitted to hospital due to rhabdomyolysis within 30 days of prescription initiation. What they found was that out of 152,000 people, approximately 88 were in hospital due to rhabdomyolysis in their donepezil group, whereas in the rivastigmine and galantamine group, about 16 events occurred out of 68,000 approximately. Most events of the rhabdomyolysis were not severe, thankfully. In relative terms, donepezil was associated with a twofold higher risk of event compared with rivastigmine or galantamine. So essentially, the author concludes that overall, the findings of the study does support regulatory warnings about the risk of donepezil-induced rhabdomyolysis due to the small but statistically significant higher risk of hospital admission with donepezil compared with initiating rivastigmine or galantamine.